So this is for the 2.3 to 2.5 ones. So the first one is just saying to explain the concept of elasticity of demand. So basically here I have a gas can and it says 0% off. So this is just explaining that even if inflation goes down and people or incomes go down or whatever, people have more money to spend on gas, or if they lower the price of gas, all it's saying is that if any of these happen, there's no incentive for them to lower the price. So people are still going to buy the same amount of gas as if it was higher because they need the gas to run their car. Nothing else would be substituted for gas for them to run their car. For the second question, it's just asking for the formula for elasticity of demand. So here you go. For number 3, it's asking to provide a question talking about the change in elasticity of demand and show if it's elastic, unelastic, or inelastic. So here I have a candy shop increases the price from $4 to $5. And so because of this, the demand decreases from $50 to $40. So I put the original 40, or sorry, I took the 40 and subtracted it by the original 50 and put this over 100 to get my percent value. So that would be 10%. And then I took my new price minus my old price and put that over the old price to get my percent here. And then I put these 2% over each other to get my value, which is 0.4, meaning that if it was 1, it would be unelastic. But since it's below 1, it means it is elastic. For number 4, it's asking to explain cross-price elasticity and what does it prove. So basically, I'm just saying that it shows how quantity demanded of one good affects other related goods. So for here, I have an example of if the price of pizza goes up, more calzones are going to be demanded. So here you go with the sketch notes. But all that's saying is less people are going to buy pizza if it's more, but since calzones are similar, they might buy more of these. Number 5, here we go. It is asking to create a cross-price elasticity equation. So I did with candy again, and I said, so the price goes up from $3 to $3.50. So quantity demanded of a related good or a substitute good increases from 50 to 70 units. So here I took my 7 units and subtracted it by my 50 units and put it over 100 to get my percent value, which is 20. And then I took my $3.50 over my $3 and put that over $3 and multiplied it by 100 to get this percent value. And then I just put these 2% values over each other and got my my 1.2. So for number 6, oh yeah, and just to show this is a normal good as well because of the value. For number 6, what is income elasticity and what does it prove? So basically, all income elasticity is doing is showing how consumer income affects the amount of quantity demanded. So, say gas again. If consumer income goes up, they're not going to buy more gas. They're going to need the same amount of gas. But for candy, if they get more money, they might want to spend more money on candy or something like that. And that just kind of proves how the markets work. For number 7, it's asking for an income elasticity question. So I made, say, consumer income went up 20% and toy quantity demand goes up from 30 to 60 because of this. So I took my 60 and subtracted it by my 30, put it over 100 to get that percent. And then I took my 30 and put it over my 20% to get 1.5. So this means that is inelastic. I'm supposed to say inelastic. So that means that this is a normal good. Or sorry, no, this is elastic. This is elastic. And that means that this is a normal good. Number 8 is asking what is elasticity of supply? So basically all elasticity of supply is how much the quantity supplied changes its price. So I have an example here. Sweatpants is elastic. So basically even if more sweatpants are if more sweatpants are supplied, the prices can more easily change around that product basically. And if more houses are supplied, since these are larger things and they're worth more money, the prices don't change as much.